This is going to be a demonstration of.
This is the STOPGAP 1400. Very, very nice finish. It looks like on the other pre-finished. So we'll have a look and we'll see what it looks like.
So it's a new F4 product.
1400.
Right, they've mixed it up for us, and we're going to get a demonstration about how easy it is to use this now. Got the yellow bucket, famous yellow bucket.
And this is bag and bottled.
Right, so while they're doing that, explain what that means.
So there's a liquid that goes with it, so it's not all
This is it.
The product is 20 kg bags, 4.5 litre bottle. Get just under 5 square metres, 20 millimetres. Really good floor characteristics on it. So as you can see here now, poured out an area that's pre-primed. So we've got the F77 moisture control system. That's mandatory to be primed with this smoothing compound. It's got the P141 the grip primer.
Right.
If it's an absorbent base, it's a dry absorbent base, P131, diluted before. Good floor characteristics on here. Depending on site conditions and porosity of floor, you've got 20, potentially 30 minutes open time, keeping that wet edge for longer. So again, you guys, if you work in a kitchen, you're on an island, to keep that wet edge. You're not going to upset those late placements, like your rolling work. The best thing about it is the finish. So it's not as fast as 1200, so it's 90-minute walk on time. Lay on from 12 hours, so realistically, next day, lay on. But the next day, here's one we made earlier, that's the finish. The type of cement you're using, so you get a really nice, tight finish. No issues with adhesion, so the next day, you come into site, you're not spending hours rubbing down, buffing down, just spinning it happen. You're not having to spend it. Ideally, you're assessing it, and you're straight over it, ready for your 2 milli LBT, 3 pound, textile, never amazing. The other thing as well that's advantageous is because of the colour of the cement. When you lads are setting out here, you're marking your lines, getting on. You see pencil lines far better than an ordinary grey cement. But I'd say that finish was just ridiculous. Best finish I've seen on compound, honestly. Very competitive price. 1200 moisture tolerance. Prime is not always mandatory. 1400, it's not moisture tolerant. Priming is mandatory. It's not as fast as 1200. But from 2 mils per mil, I'd always say midline 3 mil. When it down rise, it's up to 10 mil. And that's easy. But you have to take a from that to that, 90 minutes. Next day, we've got to go.
We haven't driven you 14 but over 1200.
On a refurbishment project, I'd say use 1200 quid if you've got a decent residue, if you've got bitumen down, but if you're doing a new build, for example, if it's wet or exhaust, then we'll use F78 or F77. And an F77 when I've both primed, F78 obviously is a built-in primer. If it's dry, prime it. You can see about 2-1 or 1-3-1, and up to go. And do that. So when you don't need the USB as well, and you've got sharp in your pencil to that, so let's say more unfortunately we all do the stuff for you. If you do need them, what you just tolerate print it, so it's basically you don't like prime and rubber, but you want faster product because you lay on some foils like that.
Yeah.
So some lads will do it the same day. However, let's be realistic, in December, temperatures aren't quite what you want. 1400 will still perform in those conditions. Sorry, 1200 per minute. 1400 will be retarded like any product. But it's still fits on that realistic path.
Brilliant. So we're going to come back and see that, shall we?
By all means,
yeah.
put a 90-minute timer on that.
Come on then.
See you're walking on that, and I'll guarantee you that finishes like.
Right, 1.5 hours, we're back.
Not, I'll do my usual thing. If that's not, you can have this test.
Yeah, deal. It's a deal.
Or you can have my van.
We'll take the Tesla.
But genuinely, like I put a timer on that. 90 minutes, that will be set and walkable. I'm going to fit it that flat.
Right, let's come back. Hold you to that. Right. So exactly, pretty much 1.5 hours later.
Look at that.
It's actually a loss. And that hasn't been sanded or anything.
Oh no. Exactly how I left it roll.
That's absolutely unbelievable.
So what sort of substrates can we go on top of this? Can we use a tip? Can we go on apply substrate with this?
No.
You can't. So it's only concrete and.
Yeah, so you got it mimic there mainly for the new build market.
Ah, okay.
So any obviously sand cement floor, sand cement screen, you can go over the surface of it like that.
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
So you've got the mimic surface there. Yeah, fill and prime.
Yeah.
It has to be prime, so you're 131 over the surface, and then on the top as well. You're going over prime, so underneath this will be a moisture tolerant, or you hit the DPM,
Right.
and then it's 141 primer, and then cap top,
Right.
then roll on the top as well.
Perfect. Whereas the 1200, you can go over pretty much anything.
Yeah. We have a compound specially designed for flyboard. That's our 700 super flex.
Right.
Which is 500 reinforced.
Yeah. Right. Okay. But the 1200 can go over it, or not.
We do reckon it.
Maybe this 700. Okay.
500 reinforced compound.
Yeah.
Golden. That's amazing, isn't it? That is amazing.
Fantastic, that is.
Yeah.
I mean,
Great
So-
that is.
Obviously, as you saw before, there's very, very little. Once you break the surface temperature, very, very little shower work. It just flows
Yeah.
itself.
It is.
As you saw before. Basic.
it does its own
minimal
work
trial
for you,
work,
doesn't it?
yeah.
Yeah.
The flow control on it is amazing.
Oh, of course, yeah.
You can go straight on
Straight on top of it, yeah.
better record that. So basically, you can go straight on top of it.
Yeah, without any prep, basically, or very, very little.
Very, very little. on
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
It's snooker table flat.
So, 1400, STOPGAP 1400 is the winner.